बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहां रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना, कि ये हिफाजत लहू देकर हमने मन में सदा उस तिरंगे को बसाए रखना। जश्न आजादी मुबारक हो।
Good morning everyone. On behalf of the entire DPS fraternity, I Tarini Agarwal take the honor in welcoming all the luminous dignitaries, acclaimed guests, revered teachers, parents and my brilliant school fellows. At the advent of such an auspicious occasion, I wish all of you a prosperous Independence Day. Celebrated on the 15th of August every year, Independence Day marks the end of a close to 2 centuries long British rule in India. In 1947, India was declared a free country on this day. Today, in 2020, we complete 73 years as an independent nation.
Every national anthem is so melodious and inspiring. It provokes the love and patriotism for the country. Originally composed as Bharato Bhagya Vidhata by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, our national anthem Jan Gan Man was rewritten in Sadhu Bengali or Tatsama Bengali, which is highly influenced by Sanskrit. Let us now pledge our allegiance to our nation by singing the national anthem in unison.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
All the world is a stage, said William Shakespeare. For a fleeting moment, let us create this surreal stage of Shakespeare right here to stage an English song replete with unwavering and unfaltering loyalty to our nation. This song signifies all that India stands for. Since independence was attained after an unimaginable struggle, this had to be used discreetly. Thus came into being the Indian Constitution. That precisely is the theme of the forthcoming song.
May the soul of liberation be a soul independent. May we all stop speaking the truth. May the soul of liberation be a soul independent. May we don't stop speaking the truth. Be the partner of justice. May our hands don't bow down before injustice. Where the mind is without fear and the head held high. Where knowledge is free, where the words not be broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. All the people of the country of India are one, regardless of color, look and language. We all are Indians. Our destination is one. the barriers of caste, creed and culture.
Mother of mine, shining dear forever, sparkle and bright, all together we stand, holding every other tie. Whether always that come to stand, flag waving only to side. Whether always that come to stand, flag waving only to side.
United we stand, divided we fall. Forever salute to your call. United we stand, divided we fall. Forever salute to your call. My soul I owe to grace you bestow. Mother of mine, shining just sparkle, sparkle and bright. Sparkle and bright, 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 sparkle and bright.
ना हम हिंदू, ना मुस्लिम, ना सिख, ना ईसाई, एक देश भारत है अपना। हम सब हिंदुस्तानी, हम सब हिंदुस्तानी। With these thoughts, vivid on mind and words eloquent on lips, my peers will be performing a patriotic Hindi song.
ये हिंदुस्तान है वतन सुहाना, इसका तराना गाऊं मैं। वीर शहीदों की धरती को, वीर शहीदों की धरती को अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं, अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं। ये हिंदुस्तान है वतन सुहाना, वतन सुहाना, वतन सुहाना।
रंग रंग के फूलों की खुशबू से महके मेरा चमन, मेरा चमन, मेरा चमन। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबका वतन है मेरा वतन, मेरा वतन, मेरा वतन। सुबह शाम जब कानों की अज़ान ख्याल निकलती है, दिल कहता है ये दो नदियाँ हिंद सागर में मिलती है, हिंद सागर में मिलती है। वही न चाहे हवा खुशी की ओ, वही न चाहे हवा खुशी की, पर जब को लहराऊं मैं वीर शहीदों की धरती को, वीर शहीदों की धरती को अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं, अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं। सरकार साई राधा रे, सरकार साई राधा, सरकार सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु से रूहानियत सी लगती है। सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु से रूहानियत सी लगती है। अल्लाह अकबर जय हिंद का, अल्लाह अकबर जय हिंद का नारा दिल से लगाऊं मैं। वीर शहीदों की धरती को, वीर शहीदों की धरती को अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं, अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं। क्या हुआ ये हिंदुस्तान, क्या हुआ ओ मेरी जान। जल रही तेरी जमीन, जल रहा तेरा आसमां। एक दूजे पे मरते थे जो एक दूजे को मार रहे, एक दूजे को मार रहे। फूलों की माला के बदले गर्दन पर तलवार रहे, गर्दन पर तलवार रहे।
सुन ले भाई हिंदुस्तानी, ना दोहराओ वही कहानी। सुन ले भाई हिंदुस्तानी, ना दोहराओ वही कहानी। जन्नत है ये हिंदुस्तान, जन्नत ही से रहने दो, जन्नत ही से रहने दो। गंगा यमुनी तहजीब में दोनों को ही बहने दो, दोनों को ही रहने दो, दोनों को ही रहने दो। तो पर बैठे हुए लोगों, तो पर बैठे हुए लोगों, दिल का दर्द सुनाऊं मैं। वीर शहीदों की धरती को, वीर शहीदों की धरती को अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं, अपना शीश झुकाऊं मैं। ये हिंदुस्तान है वतन सुहाना, वतन सुहाना, वतन सुहाना। तना ना ना देरे ना देरे ना, तना ना ना देरे ना। दीन तना ना ना तुम तना ना ना, दीन तना ना ना देरे ना। दीन तना ना ना तुम तना ना ना, दीन तना ना ना देरे ना।
Dance has always been intrinsic to our culture. A propitious day like today shall remain incomplete without the chimes of cadent foot tapping. So, let's have a soulful rendition of classical dance forms weaved together by the students of DPS to mark the cultural unity of India in its diversity.
वंदे वंदे मातरम।
Mother, I bow to thee, rich with thy hurrying streams, bright with thy orchard gleams, cool with thy winds of delight, dark fields waving, mother of might.
झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता झम तक झम तज्झम तद्दित्ताम आम ताम ताम दित तरिकिड तकता
Performance. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. These words of Mahatma Gandhi reminds us to celebrate the present as we stride through the path of progress and prosperity. Imperative as it is, we must remember and venerate the heroes who made it possible to breathe in freely and fearlessly. I now request our school head, Mr. Ahmed Azad sir, to inspire us through his pearls of wisdom.
As I stand here to address you all on our 74th Independence Day, I am deluged with multiple emotions and memories. Having you alongside to commemorate this momentous occasion is so reassuring and inspiring. And I am glad we are all together again, albeit in a different way. Happy Independence Day. This is the day we pay our tribute to all those who with their strength of spirit, unfailing courage and indomitable commitment won us our freedom. It was their vision that culminated in the land of the free and the home of the brave being born. brave we must be to be grappling gallantly with issues of such magnitude. There is a pandemic that has created an unexpectedly eerie world, and we seems to be entering a new phase in human history. Owing to the pandemic, we have to shun close human-to-human contact, leading to a colossally disrupted life, with the institutions being shut and students having to stay at home for their safety. We were thrown into a situation wherein we have to take recourse to technology to facilitate the communion between the teacher and the students. Fortunately, online classes opened gateways for us to review and refurbish our ways of teaching. It is time we reiterated that we should not confuse awakened intelligence with rote learning, inner flowering with grading, and righteous living with bookish knowledge. All of us, parents, teachers, students, and concerned citizens, who cherish the idea of a life-affirming and ethically meaningful education, must stand together and restate our wholesome paradigm view of education. It would be unwise if even at this time of breakdown of conventional notion of progress, we do not reimagine how we should use education to live a sustainable existence. Today, I would be too happy to instill confidence in our children that if our freedom warriors could surpass the humongous obstacles to reach us into free India, we too would tide over all crises, salvaging the disadvantaged from deprivation by carrying them along with us. This day is not merely about congregating and celebrating the coveted gift of freedom that was bestowed upon us by our intrepid heroes. It's about marking it by expressing our solidarity with the values they upheld. Let's take some time off to quietly acknowledge the vision of a dynamic nation united in freedom and independence. This is the year that we have our Constitution as our school annual theme. Once India was declared a free country on 15th August 1947, guidelines were laid for the complete democratization of our people. It's time to once again feel the pride of belonging to a sovereign democratic republic which is socialist and secular. Today, I formally entrust our children the signs of this incredible legacy to strive to realize the dream that Mahatma, Gurudev, Sardar Patel, Ambedkar, Bhagat Singh, and a legion of unsung heroes have nurtured for our nation. Jai Hind.